Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in the lecture series of the course of Naval Technology and Food Processing and Preservation. I am Ajit Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor of Food Technology Department at Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur. The course Novel Technology in Food Processing and Preservation is very useful for the students, research scholars and faculty interested in the detailed study of advanced techniques being used in food processing and preservation. On the completion of the course, you will be able to understand and apply innovative techniques that can be efficiently used in food processing operation. Also, the fundamental knowledge of this course will allow you to apply in research domain of food engineering and technology. In the first lecture, a brief introduction of course have been discussed under syllabus that is categorized under different learning modules. The broad areas that will be covered under different learning modules are membrane technology, supercritical fluid extraction, high pressure processing, microwave and radio frequency technology application in food processing, ohmic heating, infrared heating, as well as cold plasma technique. Also, lecture will be delivered to elaborate ultrasonication as advanced food processing and preservation technology. In last, harder technology will be discussed to preserve food and enhance shelf life of foods. Further, a list of suggested readings and reference books are being discussed to enhance your knowledge efficiently. The books which might be useful are given as following. The first book which is very useful for understanding of this course, Novel Technology in Food Processing and Preservation, is with the title Emerging Technology for Food Processing by Professor Da Wen Sun. Second book with the title Novel Food Processing Technology by Cano, Tapia and GB is useful for study of this course. Innovation in Food Engineering, New Techniques and Products by Passos and Ribeiro give you the glimpse with the case studies used in the advanced techniques in food processing and preservation. For non-thermal processing technology for food, written by Zhang, is very useful to understand this course, Novel Techniques in Food Processing and Preservation. Also, another book with the title Non-Thermal Food Engineering Operation by Enrique Ortega Rivas might be useful to know the details of the lecture. And the last, authored by the Indian writer Amit K. Jaiswal with the title Food Processing Technology Impact on Product Attributes might be useful during the course of this study for deep understanding. The module first will be used to discuss the concept of membrane technology as an advanced separation process and its application in food processing industries. The use of membrane technology as a handling and separation method in food industry is gaining wide application. Membrane separation can be used either as substitutes to conventional technology, especially in dairy, sugar, fruit juice processing and beverage industry. Also, membrane separation are being considered as green technology. So, our focus will be on the study of advances in membrane technology along with the different membrane modules, type of membranes starting from first generation, second generation to third generation, along with the fourth generation of membrane technology, along with engineering part, flux and related equation. So the topic first will be covered in membrane technology and its advances. In module 2 of this course, discussion on supercritical fluids and its application in various aspects of food industry will be kept before you. Supercritical fluid extraction utilizes the ability of certain chemicals to become excellent solvents for certain solutes under a combination of temperature and pressure. You might have heard about the supercritical fluid extraction, CO2 as a. Also in module 2, high pressure processing will be elaborated as an advanced novel food processing technique, since it is one of the food processing methods which has wide scope in the food industry. It is a non-thermal food processing method that subjects liquid or solid foods to pressure between 50 and 1000 megapascal. So topic covered in module 2 will be the supercritical fluid extraction and high pressure processing, and we will see these two advanced techniques with proper food examples. Moving to this course, the module 3 of this course is designed to comprehend you about microwave and radio frequency processing in food processing and preservation. Conventional thermal treatment in food processing relies on the transfer of heat by conduction as well as convection. Alternative to this, conventional thermal treatment in microwave is microwave and radio frequency heating, in which electromagnetic energy is transferred directly to heated product. So unlike conventional heating method, radio frequency and microwave heating is volumetric heating and very useful in the processing of food for different operations. In module 4, ohmic heating and infrared heating will be discussed to know you about other alternative thermal processing of foods. However, the use of these two methods are limited, but for the point of research, it is very good topics to explore. Also in this module, it is suggested to study cold plasma processing, which is an efficient food processing as well as preservation techniques. Also, we will discuss about the X-ray application in food processing and preservation. We will also discuss pulse electric field and pulse light technology as an advanced techniques for the food processing and preservation. The module 5, last learning module of this course, is designed to elaborate ultrasonication technology as an advanced food processing and preservation technique. Ultrasonication technique or sonication technology, also referred, is used in food processing and preservation widely because of its valuable contribution for the development of texture, resulting a choice to the food technologies. Further, harder technology will be discussed to underline the impact on food preservation. You might have studied in the fundamental courses of food technology about the harder technology that is used for the food preservation. We will see the detailed discussion on the harder technology with the help of this module 5. So all the modules as discussed in previous slides give you the glimpse about the innovative techniques or advanced methods that can be used or that is being used in food processing and preservation. In nutshell, the course outcome of this course can be summarized as given in this table and listed as a course outcome 1 to course outcome 5. Course outcome 1 will give you the knowledge about membrane technology and its application in food processing. Course outcome 2, to understand and apply high pressure processing and supercritical fluid extraction in food processing. Course outcome 3 of this lecture will deal about application of microwave and radio frequency wave technology in food processing. Similarly, course outcome 4 will give you the explanation about the ohmic heating, infrared heating, pulse electric field technology, pulse light technology, and cold plasma processing application in food processing and preservation. And in the last, course outcome 5 of this course will be to apply ultrasonication and HALDR technology in food processing and preservation. The lecture 2 of the course will discuss in detail about the module 1, that is membrane technology. For this, you may refer to suggested reading before going to lecture 2 for deep understanding and might help you to know the fundamental and advances of membrane technology in detail. Thank you for your interest in this course and hope you might get benefited with the help of this course to advance your knowledge in food processing and engineering. Thank you.